All right, so welcome back. It is time for our fun stop. Neville and I will be playing a game of two truths and a lie. My producer thinks it's simple. We're supposed to tell each other two things about ourselves that's true and one thing that isn't true, and then we're to guess which ones are the truths and which ones are the lies.
Me go first.
Please go first.
I was born in a house in Rollington town. I went to a prep school called Blake Prep. And I had my first child when I was 17 years old.
You didn't go to Blake Prep.
I went to Blake Prep.
You went to Blake Prep? Okay.
Oh, no.
That means you never live in Rollington town.
I was born in Rollington town.
So you did have your first child and you was what, 15?
No, I was older than 17. I wasn't
Achoo.
17.
And
So I was born in Rollington town.
these are the things make you know what people think about you. Because
Yeah.
when the last one come out,
You
Prince
say-
ball out in my ears. And that's the truth, and that's the truth. And look how I go follow Prince and fail my pep exam.
I was born in a house on Lineral Street in Rollington town. I went to a school called Blake Prep, which is on Glenmore Road. You know, where Holy Trinity, if you come off North Street past KC, turn left, coming up South Camp Road. Glenmore Road is that first right turn that takes you back to Elliston Road. And it's on the right. It's no longer there.
Okay.
But, yeah, me and Paddy
Paddison?
King. Paddy King.
Oh, Paddy King.
Yeah, went to Blake Prep with us.
I mean, just make you know what Prince think about you.
Yeah, so the lie is I did not have my
child
first
at
child at
17.
17. Say what again? I did not have a child when I was 17 years old.
All right.
Tom, you know.
Two truths and a lie.
Yeah.
I didn't know my first name was Dahlia until I went to Wolmer's. I don't know how to climb a tree. I have recorded a single.
The lie is Delia.
No, I really didn't know my name
You
was
never know
Dahlia.
it. So that's true?
Yes. Because everybody call me Marie.
That's your middle name?
Yeah. Because my brother is Garth. So he wanted my mother to call me Marie Garth or the lady on radio. So you know Garth.
Yeah.
So everybody call me Marie. So when I passed common entrance, I actually went through the gleaner and did not see Marie Harris. I mean, there was a small nervous breakdown. So imagine me go grade 6 from me at 8 and sit down in there for 3 years. Before them would have me take common entrance and I feel. A ball. So my mother here look at me. And my mother said, seriously. And after all the balling.
So which is the lie? You can't climb tree?
I can't climb tree.
So what is it?
I know I say I can't climb, but I can.
Right, that's the lie.
I can climb a tree. So yeah, all of me there Woolman's and them as a Daily Harris. Take me a little while.
All right. Well, so we have to come up with an next year again?
And that me I said to carry me think at one time. She said no, continue.
All right. What's the next one? I have a brother that's Winthorpe. I went to 3 high schools. No, well, this one you don't know. So I went to 3 high schools. And the first house I remember living in was on a road called Ashbury Avenue.
Ashbury is the lie.
Huh?
No, but you? Didn't I want brother named Winthrop?
Jackie?
Yeah, Jackie.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
you make one of the lie?
Yeah, I never go to 3 high school.
When me think them be suspend you plenty in Albertis. I'm not telling a lie.
When
When me hear 3, I really think them suspend you
No,
plenty.
I went to 2 high schools actually.
Yes.
One of them I don't talk about at all because they run me out for no reason at all. So I just not talk about that one.
So at 2, it was close.
So I went to 2 high schools.
Yeah.
I do have a brother who's
Yeah.
Winthorpe Everton James,
James.
which is Jackie. And we lived at 12 Ashbury Avenue.
Nice. Oh, geez, me now. I went to Whitfield Primary School. I am a certified volleyball referee, and I was head of delegation for the junior team to the Caribbean Championships.
You didn't go to Whitfield.
I did.
You did not go to Whitfield.
I did. For like about 3 months.
Well, I know you played volleyball.
Yes.
I know you played volleyball, so the lie is either that you are not certified or you wasn't the head of delegation. You're not certified.
You're right.
So I work out.
Yes,
Easy,
yes,
easy.
yes.
My time again?
You tell more lie again, Kerry? Kerry, no, so I better we'll find one next fun thing for you.
One more.
Stop here, strain me. I know some people tell lie, not Kerry, when I sit down and just, well, not nobody with me really know. Sit down and say, tell lie, me I got tell.
All
They're
right.
not liars,
One more.
Prince.
Yeah, one more.
I'm going to tell 2 truths and a lie. I could tell 2 truths and a lie about the crew.
My very first car that I owned was a red Chevette, a Ford Chevette.
Me tell you, so that's something that's easy. Though.
It's not easy.
I'm going to tell 2 truths and a lie about the crew.
I have. No, that one probably will end up being true.
I'm going to end up being true.
Yeah. All right, so my first car was a red Ford Chevette. I came home in 1987. And I now live in Harborview.
The last one is a lie.
True. Hold on now. A 2 lie, me tell you.
Yes. A 2 lie.
I want truth, me tell you a while ago.
A 2 lie.
I no live in Harborview either.
Me tell you it's not easy. No. Bertie said, when me say no live in Harborview, Bertie said, wait. A 2 lie.
Your time.
No, sir. Then just say wrap up.
Yeah, wrap
that
up.
one you
Wrap
strain
up.
my brain. Me just not gonna reach with two truth and a lie about the crew.
All right, the first.
But then, but Camille gonna step. Sheffield have 3 baby mother.
Which is true.
Omawale went to college in the US.
Which is true.
And Marvin, wait, Sheffield.
Sheffield say you like more than 3 months. Sheffield lie.
Sheffield one is a lie. How much you have? 4?
Him don't have none. Him is a liar. All right, going to take a break.
You know, just say Ian can't come back for any time we talk, saying, I will eat a key them. So stay there. Go on.
We'll soon come back, folks.
From I talk, say Ian have about 3 set of keys to go in a tree house. I don't see him come back for nostalgia.